This area of Excel is called ribbon. Ribbon shows different types of tabs. Each tab has groups, and every group contains different types of commands. In Home tab, you can see many groups. In Font group, this group has font color command. It also has font fill color command. Similarly, and others. You can increase or decrease the size of font with these two commands. So you can see every tab has many groups. This bar is called formula bar. Formula bar shows the value, text or formula entered into the active cell. If I type formula in this cell, formula bar displays the text here. This box shows the reference of active cell. If I active this cell, name box shows the active cell B8. You can collapse the ribbon from here. Then click Show tabs and commands. This button is called Quick Access Toolbar. Click on this button. If you want to add quick print, click this button. If you want to add spelling, click spelling. If you want to add more commands, click more commands button. Here you have several options. Scroll down the list. Click Sum. Then click Add button. Click OK. You can see Sum button is added on Quick Access Toolbar. Enter simple number here. Then click Sum button. You have some of these numbers here. So Quick Access Toolbar speed your work and you can save your time.